These are the top 5 terrifying bird sounds in the world. The last one sounds like a dinosaur. Comment which one you think is most terrifying. But first, you'll have incredible luck tomorrow if you like. And subscribe to my channel within 3 seconds. First is capuchin birds. This is so terrifying. Next is horned screamer. This is funny and terrifying at the same time. Next is barn owl. This is so scary. Next is shoebill bird. This bird sounds like a war machine. And the last, cassowary bird. Like and subscribe if you think sound like a dinosaur.